What is up, everybody? I am Mumfy. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, thank you so much for joining. If you're liking this content, please consider smashing that like button wherever it is down here. And also, please consider subscribing for more content. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers, and at that 1,000 subscribers, I definitely want to do a big giveaway for all of you guys. I'm looking at potentially maybe some fog lights, maybe some decals, organizer. We'll see what I'm looking at doing. But I definitely want to say thank you to each and every one of you and just kind of give back to you guys for all your support and comments, likes, all that good stuff. Kind of a quick video today because I am going on a trip. I've got a bunch of my camp stuff. I'm actually going on a big motorcycle trip that I will be loading up the Tacoma with a motorcycle, dirt bike, adventure bike. Just kind of going out, getting some filming for some off-road stuff. So, just kind of wanted to quickly say that I may not have a video next week, simply because I'll be coming back from that trip, and then I've got to kind of edit all that video for you. But while I'm out there, I think I've got a comparison video that you might be interested in. And then when I come back, I've got kind of a big, probably see those boxes over there. It's a big install video that I've been really waiting to finally get done for you guys. But stay tuned for that. One last thing that I figured I'd leave you with. Maybe a quick tip for you guys. If you ever do get sick and tired of hearing that. Oh, shut up already. Oh, never mind. So we'll turn that off. Oh, there it is. Now it's going to stay on. How can I talk like this? Well, here's a quick tip. See this right here? This little thing right here. Who knew? How awesome is that? See, now I can have the door open and no beeping. Oh, it's awesome. Anyway, figured I'd leave you guys with a little tasty tip per se. But yeah, I'm looking forward to really testing out the Heretic light bar. Come on, let's get some contrast going here. There we go. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure that you guys can actually see what I'm talking about here. But looking forward to testing out these Heretic light bar and the ditch lights. Yeah, I'll be recording a lot of stuff while I'm out there. But anywho, just wanted to give you guys a little bit of something for this week. I may not have something for next week, so just be aware of that. I'll also probably end up going over some of my camping stuff in a future video if that's something that you're interested in. So let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much. I'm going to wrap it up and get ready for this trip. So thanks again. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.